Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Today we're working with colors. You can use markers, crayons, color pencils, ballpoint pens, whatever you feel like, as long as you have many colors at hand. When we're drawing, we often use one color for the line drawing. Might be a black pen or a pencil, and that's the tool we make the whole drawing with. And then perhaps we add some color afterwards, using watercolors, color pencil, or markers. But why not use a different color for each item that you draw? Especially colorful scenes can be captured so well when you alternate your colors. I chose to draw a pot of art tools on my desk and some ink bottles standing there. And there are so many colors to see, so I grab a different color for each item. You can take a bit of liberty to use different colors than you actually see, as long as you use just any color that you can grab. For this drawing, I used each color of my little coloring marker set. This could be an interesting approach too for a landscape or a cityscape. Try this at home or on location. And if you need more ideas or inspiration, download a free ebook or sign up for a class at sketchbookschool.com.